Today we're going to be showing you an unboxing of our Casper king size mattress. We're going to open the box. So then you'll have some instructions to tell you what to do to open your mattress. Then you're going to lay the mattress box on its side. Pull the mattress out. You'll find the end of the plastic wrap and pull it towards you. Once you take the outer plastic wrap off, it's going to start to expand. So we're going to put it on our bed so that it will expand on top of our bed. Once you've got the outer plastic wrap off, then you can take off the inner plastic wrap. This is what the top will look like. Once you've unfolded it and removed the plastic, you'll let it expand a little bit longer. I don't think this is how it is supposed to look. So this is our mattress after 24 hours. I don't think it's looking like it's supposed to. It's got like a weird crease. And it's sunken in. I don't know. This is how it looks after almost 48 hours. It's just not right. And if you look underneath, you can see it's still like bent in half. Something is not right with this. Okay, take two. We took the plastic wrap off, and now we're gonna do the inner plastic wrap. You can already hear it expanding, but already looks 100% better than our first try. The smell's not as strong either. That's it. Now you just remove the rest of the plastic wrap, put it on your bed, and you should be good to go.